On the banks of the Kornofuli, where the river meets the Bay of Bengal, a new chapter in Bangladesh's maritime story began. In December 2023, the Chittagong Port Authority signed a concession, entrusting RSGT Bangladesh of Saudi Arabia to equip and operate the Patanga container terminal. It made RSGT Bangladesh the first international company ever entrusted with managing a port terminal in Bangladesh.
I came here as the sixth employee on a terminal that was completely empty. And we had to start from scratch in an environment where they were not used to international operators, private operators. So we started with nothing.
6 months later, with a small founding team, RSGT officially began operations at PCT. The Maersk Davao became the first vessel ever to call under RSGT's management, the start of cargo operations at the terminal.
I managed to very quickly become operational 6 months after signing the concession agreement. Luckily, we got great support from the port authorities in doing this. So that by itself is worldwide already a big achievement, I can tell you, from my 30 years experience. So a fantastic achievement by the staff, by the people in Jeddah. And from that moment on, it was just better every day.
On January 2025, $25 million invested in 14 hybrid yard cranes. On February 2025, $30 million invested in next-generation ship-to-shore cranes. On April 2025, RSGT installed new scanner for faster, safer inspections. In the meantime, the first full vessel was received. May 2025, full two-way trade begins. On June 2025, RSGT Bangladesh got a Green Terminal certification by Bureau Veritas. On August 2025, first batch of hybrid RTGs arrive and South Container Yard opens. In September 25, new shades and yard sections opened. On October 2025, second batch of 10 hybrid RTGs received.
We started getting more equipment in. We started fine-tuning our operational procedures, the warehouse, to a point where we could get from the feedback from our customers, from our vendors, from the port authorities. We could clearly see that we're not building just a new terminal, but we're really redefining the standards. We're not here just to do the same what others are doing. We're here to change the logistic environment in Bangladesh, make sure that the local manufacturers, the local logistic companies will benefit from us being here by delivering a better product, a cheaper product, and we have so far succeeded in this. Of course, we have to remember that what we do today will not be good enough for tomorrow, so we have to keep improving. But what I have seen from the staff and the people we have is that we will be more than capable of doing so.
In March 2026, at the edge of the preparation period of RSGT Bangladesh, a record monthly throughput of over 30,000 TEUs was handled, reflecting the dedication of our people and the trust of our customers and partners.
When I joined RSGT Chittagong, everything was just beginning.
It has been inspiring to see how much we achieved together.
প্রতিদিন নিরাপত্তার সাথে কাজ করা আমাদের দায়িত্ব। প্রতিদিন দক্ষতার সাথে অপারেশনের কাজ পরিচালনা করা আমাদের দায়িত্ব। এই সফল যাত্রায় অংশগ্রহণ করতে পেরে আমি গর্বিত।
টার্মিনালের প্রতিটা উন্নয়ন আমার জন্য একটি মনে রাখার মতো অভিজ্ঞতা।
Working in RSGT Chittagong has taught me the importance of safety, dedication and teamwork. শুরু থেকে আরএসজিডি চট্টগ্রামের সাথে কাজ করতে পেরে আমি খুবই গর্বিত।
New cranes, a new yard, room to grow. And the story isn't standing still. On June 2026, the 4 ship-to-shore cranes, confirmed back in February 2025, completed their journey from the shipyards of China to the banks of the Karnapuli. Then came the delicate operation. These giants, once carried across oceans, were slowly brought from the deck of the ship onto the waiting shore. Two years on, the vision of 2024 is now one of Bangladesh's busiest gateways to global trade. Success extends beyond the terminal gates. Through community initiatives, employee development, and humanitarian efforts, we continue to create a positive impact.
So now after these 2 years, we're almost done with the preparation period. We really start with the operational period. We'll try to achieve what we have committed in the concession agreement, and we will go beyond. We can actually do much more, we think, with the people we have, with the equipment we have, and the capabilities we have. So there's a lot more to look out to. I'm pretty confident that we can all pull this off. And I'm looking forward to bringing this company into the next stage with all of you. So a big thank you to everyone involved. A big thank you to the employees, to our vendors, to the other stakeholders in the port. I would say the sky is the limit and we keep pushing.
2 years of excellence. 2 years of partnership. 2 years of redefining standards. And the journey is only getting started.